Hello guys, we'll tell you today how to restart your boiler. The boiler is not working at the moment, and the boiler name is Potterton Suprima, and we can see this green flashing light, and there's no flames coming there, and there's no hot water. So I'll show you today how to reset your boiler. All you have to do, there's a button here, it's a reset button. So you just press this button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you just let it go, and now you can wait for it, and it should restart itself now. Okay, this video is for these all boilers which are made by Potterton, and these are Suprema models. So the light is still flashing, but it will reset again itself now. Just give it about a few seconds. Let me try once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just give it a couple of extra seconds now, and you can see it's restarting now. It's flashing orange and green now, and we should be able to see flames here now, and I can hear the noise now for reset. There we go. So it started now again. Here we can see the flames in there, and it's continuous green now. So it's not flashing anymore, and the boiler is working fine now. Thank you for watching the video. Cheers.